So we outside with it.
Here in Washington, D.C., our nation's capital.
So I'm out here at Zippers getting some stuff done on my bike, working on my break-in, shakedown, all that kind of stuff, whatever. And TravelingTall is here in town. He just pulled up. That's his partner Tez. That's the world famous Zulu. You want to check it out? So yeah, they're in town. So I'm gonna walk in here to Zippers right quick to holler at them, see what they got going on. Check me out. I got the TravelingTall starter set.
Yeah.
Look at it.
I see.
How you doing, man?
I'm good. So, listen, guys, we got Build, Ride, Repeat in the house. Now, he's been building this bike for a long time. Now, I want to see what this thing do. You've been talking about it for a while.
Yeah, I've been talking about it for a while. You know what I'm saying? We go and check it out.
Let's see what it do now.
So how y'all doing, man? How was the trip?
Good.
Yeah.
We about to go through here and look at the factory real fast.
Oh, sure, for sure.
Yeah, you come with us or you?
Oh yeah, I'll walk through. As many videos as Tall has done here, this is my first video of Tall on my channel where I'm actually controlling the camera. Ain't that something, right?
Hey,
oh man,
I've been here a lot of times.
You've been here a bunch of times, man. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
You know, you've been here a bunch of times. Man, I just thought about that. That is the first time of me actually. You know, I've met him out here quite a few times, whatever. But this is like my first video of Tall here at Zippers.
Come on. Those are cylinders down there, and it's just holding out the cylinder.
This feels pretty good to be at this point where my bike is essentially complete, and I can do other videos. Then, oh man, so I'm actually pretty excited right now.
This is Dave. Hey, how's it going, Dave? Nice to meet you. Yes, sir. This man is a genius right here. That's all I gotta say. He's a genius when it comes to motorcycles.
Yeah, I'm really excited about this. It just hit me just now, Dad. This is my first video of. Well, yeah.
All right, so now Tez is talking to Adam. Y'all know Adam, man. A cam, which I got more than a cam, but a cam makes a huge difference. And guys, if you have a stock motorcycle and you're just tired of changing gears that much, then you should check out Redshift Cam. It can make a world of difference. Ask anybody.
So we're going out. Woo!
They look good, man.
Appreciate that. You know what I'm saying? I mean, it's no Zulu. You know what I'm saying? It's no world famous Zulu.
Do that, man. It looks good. It looks good.
It's all right. It's decent. You know what I'm saying?
You know what?
He made it.
Yeah, it looks really good.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
I mean, you're painting, and you can really paint.
Appreciate that. You know. Man, I gotta be cool like y'all, man, cause y'all got the Jordan 1s on. I got some busted running sneakers, man. Look at these dudes.
You gotta match my bike.
You know what I'm saying? You see it matching the bike.
Got some green 9s too.
Jordan 1s. Ooh.
No, he works it. Hey, Bob.
Wait, I'm gonna get me some black and gold Jordan 1s. I don't know if I have them before. Run to the Hills. Them the Redshift 1s?
The Redshift 1s, that's right.
I'm here with Tall and Tez. They're about to jump on the road and head down south.
Yeah.
Further down south, because technically we are in the south here in Maryland. Since I got you here, I can ask you direct questions about Run to the Hills 3.
Okay.
Is there anything that we should know about Run to the Hills?
Bring your bike, because we're going to ride. That's it.
Friday, Saturday, and some stuff going on Sunday. And so, is there an agenda listed already on the website or anything?
No. Working on that. I'll try to have all that soon. But everybody knows it's a riding event.
Okay.
It's not anything where we just sitting around. Well, we do some sitting around later on or whatever, but it's a riding event. We're gonna ride. We're gonna be in the hills of East Tennessee. We're gonna see some beautiful scenery, meet some awesome people. We're gonna ride. That's the plan.
All right.
So come on down. No matter what you're riding, you got an Indian, you got a Honda.
So if I had a Valkyrie, I could come on a Valkyrie.
You got a Valkyrie. You got anything. Hey, come on down, ride. You got a glide. We gonna glide. That's what it is.
So what about like spiders and stuff like that, and Can-Ams and all that kind of
Come on down.
Really?
Come on down.
How about slingshots?
Bring it.
Come on down. How about a Vespa?
Ooh.
Come on down.
Oh, Vespa folks.
Catch up.
Catch up.
Yeah.
So
It's all good.
so what about like riding levels? So are you gonna have like different groups or whatever? For
No,
different
we're
riding
going to
levels?
just take it easy. We gliding easy on this one. It's nothing. We're not ripping through there. We're just going to enjoy the scenery, enjoy East Tennessee. Everybody ride at their own pace, at their own risk.
Mm-hmm.
It's nothing where we're going to be pushing anybody out of their comfort zone by any means. You ride your bike. You can control your ride.
Okay.
And do what you feel comfortable with, and you will know the route. So don't feel any pressure to be riding above your comfort level.
All right.
Yeah.
So the banquet's on Saturday.
Yes, Saturday.
All right, so
tickets are sold out.
So say for instance, we're there and it's Friday, banquet is Saturday. Where should Ride to the Hill attendees go to eat? Like, is there barbecue place?
Downtown Knoxville. They can just go to downtown Knoxville, check it all out. You can go there, park your bike on Main Street. There's restaurants down there, or Pigeon Forge is only 30 minutes up the road. Go to Pigeon Forge, Tennessee. If you don't know what Pigeon Forge is, that's the home of Dollywood. Yeah, we got Tennessee's just a good place, a great environment.
Mm-hmm.
Or just find a back road and just roll. That's you can do that too. It's a good
Okay.
thing. But we about to get to North Carolina
All right,
So we
cool.
about
So
to leave here.
I'm gonna jump on the bike and ride with you.
and glide easy.
All right.
I see you.
We had a quick little stop. Debating about whether I'm gonna go ahead and go across the Bay Bridge with them, the Annapolis Bay Bridge, or turn around and head back to towards DC. Let me see. Yo, man, you look like one of those cool YouTubers that never showed their face. I think you like one of those cool YouTubers that never showed their face. Tell me about this roll bag you got. I look like I might need to get one of those things.
But it's a roll bag, man.
Was
Right
this
there,
like
right to the backrest. You good to go.
is this a, was this a motorcycle specific bag or this is just
Yeah, motorcycle specific roll bag. Yeah.
Oh, okay,
All your
okay.
gear in it makes an excellent backrest.
It's an excellent backrest.
Yeah.
Yeah, because I definitely need one of those. I need a backrest. Yeah.
You ain't got nothing to lean on.
Yeah.
Lean against, yeah.
And you know, like you said, like once I finish these break-in miles, you know what I'm saying? I don't want the thing to slide me off the seat if I hit it.
Nah, I didn't say all that.
Well, I mean, it won't slide. You can't stop the seat now. You know, once you hit it,
Yeah.
you get that muscle 120 something. You know what I'm saying? Don't want to say what it is.
Yeah.
But as the sister would say, pull up on them. Yeah, man. I don't know, man. I might turn back.
You ain't going over the bridge?
Well, I would, but
Man, are you scared to put miles on this thing or what?
no, I ain't scared to put miles. I don't want to get. I don't even know what time it is. So I'm looking at. Yeah, I'm looking at rush hour, like, cause like that 97. 97 standstill sometimes.
How'd it run?
It runs pretty well, man. I will say.
First time on interstate, huh?
Yeah. Man, that thing looking good, Tall.
Thank you.
Woo-hoo! See that zoom on there? You know what I'm saying? Hey, man, look at that one. Oh.
Yeah,
Man,
you ought to be proud, man.
Man, look, huh?
You ought to be proud. It's good looking. Very good looking.
Thank you, Tall. Hey, man. That means a lot to me, you know what I'm saying? Coming from you, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Because.
How you brothers doing?
Doing well, sir. How about you?
All right, y'all looking good.
Appreciate that, sir. Appreciate that, sir. How are you today?
Where you
All right.
ride?
Huh?
Where you ride?
What you ride?
Yeah, I can see it,
I
sir.
got Fat Boy.
Oh, really? I got Ultra Limited, 15.
Fat Boy. 09, 77 shovel. I had a 72
Yeah.
on a deed, but another guy taught me out of it.
Oh, no. Don't. Then keep the 77.
Yo, I'm gonna keep that. You from Georgia?
Yes, sir. Born and reared.
Yeah.
How about you? Were you from Georgia?
No. I'm just across the bridge over, bro.
Okay.
Yeah, shit, man.
Yeah. But I was
like an insult. Oh.
Yeah. I got some brothers in Georgia now.
okay, cool deal.
Thunder Guards.
Oh, Thunder Gods? Okay,
Thunder
I know
Gods.
TG.
All right.
Okay. What's your name, sir?
Bill.
Bill?
Bill.
What
Cherry picker.
cherry picker? So if I pull up, I'll tell them cherry picker, right?
Yeah. It's a Bill the cherry picker, Preston.
Bill the cherry picker, okay.
You did all this yourself.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Hey, man. We gonna get out of here.
Yeah, my bad. I'm getting history lessons and stuff.
All right, man.
Nice meeting you guys.
Yes, sir.
What's up, man?
Yes, sir. Good.
man.
Yes, sir. Good to meet you.
Oh, be careful.
Yes, sir.
Be careful. Be careful.
All right, man, you too.
All right.
Check out the YouTube channel, man. You'll see what's going on.
Okay.
Yeah, it's TravelingTall on YouTube.
All right.
All right?
Yep.
Uh-oh.
We'll ride, repeat. Glide easy.
Glide easy?
Glide easy.
I mean, I'm gonna say I'm on a Road King though.
Huh?
I'm on a Road King though.
It's an FL. You still glide.
Yeah. Well, I mean, I guess. So I'm about to head on back home. Paul and Ted just pulled off, we're heading down south to North Carolina. So here we go. So thanks for tuning into this episode of Build, Ride, Repeat. If you like stuff like this, make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe, and I'll be seeing you all the rest of the season on Valley of the Kings and on my Zippers Performance Muscle 107. Oh yeah.